Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Nintendo Switch 2 to the latest firmware and auto update. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2, but you're noticing that it starts to lag. How do you actually go ahead and update it? Well, there's multiple ways about doing this, guys. The first thing that we're going to do is that let's power on our Nintendo Switch 2, and let's go ahead and access the settings option, which is located right over here. Now, normally your Nintendo Switch 2 is already set to automatic update. But in order to make sure that's the case, you want to scroll down to where it says system. From here, you want to scroll down even more to where it says auto updates. And as you can see, right here, it's toggled on, which means that the software for the Nintendo Switch 2 does automatically update. Now, if for some reason you had this turned off, you could actually scroll back up and then click on System Update. So now your Nintendo Switch 2 is going to check for updates, and as you can see, I'm up to date with the latest firmware. Now, the other way to actually go ahead and update your Nintendo Switch 2 is that you could actually go ahead and turn this off. So it's actually press and hold the power button, wait until a menu appears, and then click on Power Options, and then click on Power Off. So once your Nintendo Switch 2 is off, you want to hold the power button, the volume down, and the volume up button at the same time. So we're going to keep holding it until the Nintendo Switch 2 logo appears. That's the Nintendo logo, and then that's the Switch 2 logo. Go ahead and let go. And so now we've entered recovery mode. So what we can do here is that we could actually go ahead and update the system. So same exact thing, it's going to check for system updates. And so this is going to take a couple seconds, but you can see that the system has been up to date. So same exact thing, and after, in order to exit recovery mode, all you've got to do is press the power button, and that's going to turn it back off. And then to return back your Nintendo Switch back on, just press and hold it, let go, let it load. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your Nintendo Switch 2 to the latest firmware and auto update. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.